Most people think good day is all about a good morning, but no, it all starts with clean data. 2 weeks of my Fusemachines AI Fellowship 2026 already passed. And for me, the best way to learn is by explaining things to others. So I thought, why not document this whole journey with you all? So let's start with my week one topic, data wrangling. If our data is messy and wrong, then our model will learn wrong patterns, which will eventually lead to wrong predictions. Thus, data wrangling is very important. Now, let me quickly show you Python Pandas demo for data wrangling. At first, was obviously Pandas import layer also. Using command import Pandas as really, where Pandas use way also for reading, cleaning, and analyzing tabular database. The PD is area scale available. This was obviously CSV file say read version using pd.read underscore CSV. But there data frame was also. The data frame data display also. Very obviously check version for missing values in each column using isNull.sub. This shows the number of missing values in each column. As you can check, age has one missing value, BMI has one missing value, as well as blood pressure has one missing value. Then we check for duplicate rows using the function duplicated, and specifically we are checking for duplication in values of columns name, age, BMI, blood pressure, smoking, heart attack, and we are using the sum function. So if the values of these columns are exactly same, then it will count as one row is duplicated. And it shows there is one row that is duplicated. We can see over here that one row has the same value of name, age, BMI, blood pressure, smoking, and heart attack risk. So it is correct. Now we want to remove the duplicated row. So we use drop duplicates function and we pass the subset list of the columns that are causing the duplication, whose values are causing the duplication. So drop duplicates function user duplicate rows are also. Then we are displaying out the new data frame. We can see how the duplicated rows is current all there with values of 25, 20.5. That row is removed. Next, we got a standardized text value. As we can see over here in smoking column, the values are not standardized. One yes, some no is written as capital, some no is written small, some yes in small, some yes in capital. So we need to standardize it into two values. For that, we saw the values always lowercase of using function str.lower. And to check if only two values exist in the whole column, we use the unique function to check for the unique values in the column. As you can see, now the only unique values in the column are no and yes in small, in lowercase. Another thing that we're going to fix is converting the A's column into a numeric column, because A's is a column which should be in numeric format for applying numerical functions like mean, mode, median. So we replace the string 30 with string 30, and then we convert the whole column data format to numeric using two numeric function. Then we display it out. As you can see now, now the whole data format of A's is in numeric, so it is displaying 0 decimal at end, as well as the 30 that was previously written as letters is now written a n. Now filling the missing age and BMI values. Now there are different strategies for handling missing values. We can either remove the whole record, or we can also fill up those values if you want to with mean, median, and mode according to the data context. Currently, we are filling up age and BMI values with their mean values using .mean function. We are using the function fill for filling up those values, and for mean, we are using mean function. And now, as you can see, previous NEM values are now filled up with average values. Now, we need to fix the blood pressure format. As we can see, blood pressure format is shown in two values. First one is systolic blood pressure, and second one is diastolic blood pressure. Systolic is the heart's blood pressure when it is compressed, and when it is relaxed, its blood pressure is called diastolic blood pressure. So we wanted this information into two different columns, so that analysis becomes also easier. At first, we need to have a consistent format. As you can see, mainly forward slash is used, but over here there is disparity and dash is used. So we need to replace the dash with forward slash. For this, we use str.replace function. And for treating these symbols as only normal characters and not regular expressions, regex is set to false. Now it is fixed. Now we need to separate the blood pressure column into two different columns, systolic and diastolic. Before this, we need to fill up the missing value of blood pressure For that, we use a fill function, which fills up the column with the most frequent value. As we can see now, it is filled up with the most frequent value of blood pressure. The strategy that is used for filling up these type of health parameters may differ according to our need, but for now we are using the most common value. Now we are splitting blood pressure to two different columns using std auto split, and we are splitting from the forward slash to two, and expand one to two makes it into two different columns. And to convert these into numeric values, we use a two underscore numeric. So now they are converted to digit. Finally, we are saving our cleaned data in clean underscore df data frame, and we are displaying it out. Now we are saving it into another CSV file called clean underscore health underscore data. And index equals to false ensures that no additional index column is added in the CSV file. Now it is saved to clean underscore health underscore data. Let's see. It is saved over here. So we have successfully created clean data out of messy data using Pandas. This is all about data wrangling. Thank you.